Hello.
Hello.
How are you, students?
Very fine. Yeah.
How's your health?
Are
Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you ready for a new lesson?
Yes.
Okay. In the name of God, today we study A before you. A before you. حرف A قبل از حرف U. Always, whenever you see A before you, همیشه وقتی که شما حرف A را پیش از حرف U میبینید. Pronounce it like A. مثل A ولی الف مد in Persian. مثل الف مد فارسی ولی تلفظش کنید. A. Like August. What is this?
August.
August. Some people pronounce August. August is wrong. This is August. Because A is before you. A در اینجا قبل از حرف U آمده. از این لحاظ آ خوانده شده. آ مثل الف مد فارسی. Author. What's this? Author. Not author or author. Author. Why? Because A is before you. A is before you. Author. Audio. Audio. Pronounce it. Audio. Audio. Auction. Auction. Once again, we see A before you. A را پیش از یا میبینیم. This is auction. It is not action. Action is something else. Action دیگه معنی داره. Auction. Auction. Audio. Author. August. Autumn. Not atom or autumn. Autumn. Also, launch. What is it? Launch. Once again, we have A before you. It is not launch. It is launch. It means to conduct. Launch. Pronounce it. Launch. Caught. The past form of catch. Caught. Once again, we have A before you. A before you is always like A. Okay, once again, pronounce it. August. Author. Audio. Auction. Autumn. Launch. Caught. Who can pronounce it?
In the name of Allah, August, author,
Audio.
auction, and autumn, launch,
Caught. Okay, try your best. Stand up and have a correct pronunciation.
In the name of Allah, August, author, audio, auction, autumn, launch, launch,
Caught. Okay, once again, باز متوجه باشید دقیق با تلفظش. هر وقتی گفتیم حرف یو، حرف A پیش از حرف یو قرار میگیره. به این صورت مانند آز. Repeat the examples. August. Author. Audio. Auction. Autumn. Launch. Caught. Any question or problems? No. Goodbye for now.